Some women experience morning sickness in the early stages of their pregnancy, whilst others continue to experience it throughout the 9 months of pregnancy. The cause of morning sickness is unknown, but there are many things you can do to manage the symptoms. And one of the ways by far is good nutrition. Ginger, lemon, eating enough protein and vitamin-rich foods, especially vitamin B6 rich foods, are some of the effective ways to manage your symptoms. If you're experiencing morning sickness, nausea, or vomiting in the first stage of your pregnancy or even throughout your pregnancy, I want you to know that it is a phase. It's gonna go away. My prayers and du'as goes out to you for an easy pregnancy and a healthy baby. Know that when you are having excessive nausea or morning sickness, research tells us that in most cases it is protective to the pregnancy. So nothing to worry about. If you are experiencing excessive vomiting, then it is something that you have to inform your doctor or your midwife, because we don't want you to be vomiting too much, which might be a trigger for dehydration. Again, my du'as and prayers go out to you, and I hope you feel better soon, mama. I hope this is helpful. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe and join the family if you have not done so yet. Don't forget to hit the bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a video, and to share this video with a mama friend who needs this information as well.